Do you know the difference between no, none and not? In today's video, you're going to find out. Hey everybody and welcome to today's video. If you've never met me before, my name is English teacher Matthew and I'm here to help you improve your English. And like I said, in today's video, we're going to discuss the differences between no, none and not. No! No! Now, as you know, not that no, but a different no. As you know, no is the opposite of yes. If we don't want something, we say no. If we don't agree with somebody, we say no. But no can also modify a noun and tell us that there is zero of that noun. We can use it with countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So, for example, I have no idea what you're talking about. I have no idea what you're talking about. There are no teachers in the school. There are no teachers in the school. Is there no class today? Let's talk about none. None is a pronoun, and it means not one or not any. Usually it's followed by of plus a plural noun or an uncountable noun. So for example, none of the milk in my fridge is fresh. None of the milk in my fridge is fresh. None of my classmates passed the exam. None of my classmates passed the exam. None can also be an answer and stand by itself. So, for example, how many oranges do we have? None. We've eaten them all. Not. Not makes verbs negative and is usually contracted to nt. So, for example, I didn't know his name. I did not know his name. That isn't correct. That is not correct. Not also makes gerunds and infinitives negative as well. So, for example, not going to class yesterday was a bad idea. Not going to class yesterday was a bad idea. She told me not to call him again. She told me not to call him again. And finally, not can also make other words and phrases negative as well. So, for example, not all Canadians speak French. Not all Canadians speak French. Not many people voted in the election. Not many people voted in the election. Are you a Canadian that can speak French? Tell me in the comments below. Hey, before we finish, make sure you practice using these words in the comments below. It's a great way to practice because I look at the comments every day, so if you do comment, I will see it and I can check it for you. And hopefully now you know the differences between no, none and not. But if you do have any other questions, then you can leave them in the comments below as well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you learned something new. If you do like listening, then I have a podcast. Just go to Spotify, Apple Podcasts or Google Podcasts and search English Teacher Matthew. Every day of the week I teach you a new idiom. Idioms are great to use in your everyday language and make you sound much more native. But anyway, thank you so much for watching today. If you do have any questions, like I said, leave them in the comments below. And until next time, keep